moving the mirror, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we're doing now, we're removing the sheetrock and we're going to replace it with a baker board with durack actually. Just show you, we're just using utility knife here to cut it. We cut it exactly 4 feet from the floor, and I'll show you what we're actually doing. So we'll remove whole, replace it with a baker board, and then we put tiles. It's a very simple process and everybody can do it. And we are doing it because we want to put tiles here on the shower that we already completed. So we have completed to remove almost all the sheetrock. You can see here. And now what we're doing, we're removing all the nails that left in preparation to put the durack board here. That is the other board that we removed. Now you can see we removed the mirror that was here. So you can see the technique we're using utility knife. We make a cut in the fiberglass, in the sheetrock. This is not a fiberglass sheetrock, this is a simple sheetrock. And it's very easy to remove it. We're going 4 feet exactly. So I show you another area we're removing it using the tools. If you can see, the water pipe is here. See, the water pipe should be insulated with insulation. So remember, the first thing you do, you're using utility knife to make the 4 feet or whatever you want, and you make a really deep cut with a good utility knife, and then you're starting just breaking and removing the sheetrock because you really don't want to put tiles on sheetrock. That's for sure. So here we actually completed to remove the sheetrock where needed, and now I just want to talk about these pipes. If you look at the pipe, you can see they are not insulated. I start to insulate this one. This is a 3/4 of an inch, and there is another pipe, but that's very important to insulate them, because on a very cold day, if you miss it sometime, the cold will go through it. And this is a copper pipe maybe burst. It's happened to me once, and you really would like to protect it. You can see the insulation is under. You can see this insulation, but it's not really continue. This is important because this board, this wall is not exterior wall, but you know, when nobody's in the properties and it's cold in the property, in a very, very cold day, you can have a problem. So it's always nice to insulate every pipe that you have at home. When insulation is missing, it's actually, if I'm going to take my hand here, I figure out there is no insulation, and this wall is actually garage wall, so it's important to insulate it. You can see here, there's nothing there. So we need to actually add more insulation. So when you're actually removing a sheetrock from a wall, just make sure to fix all what you need to fix, like water pipe insulation that are missing, and other stuff that you think should be corrected.